what I wanted to show you today is basically what we've been building. We are a small team within a very big company since we belong to Orange, also known as France Telecom. So it's a very big company, but we are a very small team working in the Silicon Valley, so trying to adopt the same style as the Silicon Valley does. So what we provide is typical stuff you can find on a picture sharing site. You're gonna find familiar stuff here: tags, my pictures, pictures of my contacts, social network. What you notice is for tags we use a different paradigm. We actually use who, what, where, people, just keywords and locations. What that allows us to do is basically have a map that's present everywhere on the website. So for example, I arrive right away, I have a map with a recent activity, and the way we can do that is every time someone enters a new tag that's a location, we know it because they just say it's a location. So right away we ask them, where is that location? So basically very easily people can enter a new location to the map without having to click 3 or 4 or 5 buttons to just get the map and drag and drop that picture on it. So map is at the center of the activity and of the experience. You have it on the home page and you have it on your own picture page, you have it everywhere. And this is the working account, so that's why there's not many troubles. It's just, we just go to France and Silicon Valley, that's it. So basically, so map everywhere. The second stuff we wanted to do differently than most people is we wanted to give it a desktop feel. We call it an application, not a web page anymore. And so we wanted to have everything like 1 or 2 clicks away tops. So every time you get to a picture, you can do a lot of stuff right from here. Your visibility, you can change the visibility, you can add tags, and of course we added type all these words if your friends already used them before. So for example here I use Palo Alto again, and if your friend already said where his home were, then you don't have to enter where it is on the map, it just shows up automatically. So that's basically geo-tagging really, more than geo-mapping. We apply a location to this tag, to this word, and every time you apply this word to a picture, then we know this picture is taken there. So basically if you zoom in, then Palo Alto, you can find these pictures taken there. Pretty simple stuff. What that allows us to do is, for example, if I go see pictures of someone I know really well because it's myself, is you add locations, and so what we do right away is we launch a slideshow and we put out all the locations attached to these pictures, and we create a slideshow that not only if you do a trip that's a loop within an area, it just makes more sense for us. So what we want to do is being able to tell a better story with your pictures and not just show your pictures to friends. And usually showing where they've been taken is the one big step to be able to explain what you've been through. And so what we do is, I'm going to go a little bit further in my trip. I'll try to take a decent picture here. So what happens is what we do is, as you go through the slideshow, we basically make your trip. We make your trip appear on the map so people know where you've been. And we call it the trip journal basically. It's just a nice, neat little feature that we added in there. So third element is mobile. Hopefully the picture will be there by the time I have to do the demo. So we, as I said at the beginning, we're linked to Orange, France Telecom, which means a big carrier. We have 70 million mobile users in the world. So of course there's a big mobile side of things in the Pikeo. So for example, as soon as we released, we couldn't release without a mobile application, and we were still a small team, so we started with a partnership with Shozu, like most people use in the Bay Area. But we are also applications that are being developed right now that are targeted not only to Orange customers, but also to other customers that will take advantage of localization and map, for example. We also have a very big, we believe that's going to be a very big viral component that's going to come out, hopefully before the end of July, that will allow you to share your pictures very, very easily, virally through your mobile to mobile and send it to people to people. And so basically, evidently, mobile is a very big part of what we expect from Pikeo. Also, finally, we just released, we are releasing right now an API. It's been specifically for our partners so far, but we expect to have it open to anybody within the end of this month, probably, hopefully. And I think I covered most of everything in the 5 minutes I have.